So what are you cooking, Luna?
Chicken?
Chicken wings?
Yeah, chicken wings. These are called chicken wings.
So what are you doing right now?
Washing them.
You're washing them?
Oh my god, I got two. This big fat one. I kind of feel oily.
Yeah.
This one feels oily. So we just want swimming.
Where are you going?
How do you plan to cook your chicken wing?
You just have to wash them. Or it's there already.
You're gonna marinate you? Yeah.
I kind of like chickens.
Kind of like chickens.
I like fish more than chicken. Oh my god, the water's getting full. Oh, it's in my hand.
Be quiet, Morty.
Hey, Mommy. Cookie.
Yep, so Luna got the seasoning here. She's gonna be adding all of these seasoning into the chicken wings. Right, Luna?
I don't know which one's going first.
Yeah, she don't know which one yet, but I'm gonna teach her how to seasoning her chicken. We're gonna boil the chicken in the oven today, right?
But I see them really
Yeah. So we're gonna start off with. Okay.
This black pepper. That's not it.
Okay. What is that, Luna?
Chicken bouillon.
Good.
Once I pour that in that, put it back in here. There.
Yep. Oh.
I'm gonna use Korean barbecue sauce. One, two. Oh my god, it's not coming out. 4.
That's 3.
Oh yeah. 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's got my hand. Spaghetti. I like spaghetti.
Now Luna got her gloves.
Yeah.
She's gonna massage the chicken. Start marinating them down.
Oh my god, this is real. This is real like this. All of the chicken in the bottom. Oh my god, it's so hard. So we have to put it in the oven and get it for a minute. Oh my god, the glove.
Gloves coming out. Her little tiny hand and the big glove.
Tastes yummy. But I put it in school, but it tastes not good.
Yeah. Keep massaging them.
Tastes good. Oh, the water's still in here?
There's no water. That's seasoning from the sauce.
God. Goodness. He's real. He's real like this. Makes it crap. It's like real again. Cool, where's the next spot? That was a good spot. big one. I'm back. Gully looks like a girl, but I don't know where my dad. Oh yeah, I forgot. Let me show you guys. Oh wait, I almost dropped you guys. What are you doing?
I'm looking at my fish. Are you cooking? Are you done yet?
No, Mom's helping me. These are my dad's fish.
Is that gonna go on your YouTube channel?
I think so.
Alright.
Look at those fishes. Oh, those fishes. And these are the angel's fish. Like going away. And those tiny fish.
Those tiny fish are called guppies.
Yeah. Oh, look at those.
Those are plecos.
Yeah, those are
Are
plecos.
those yours?
Yeah. And this is my fish tank. And those white fish over there. And then there's one in there. That's a big one.
Look at the camera.
I am. Dad.
See, now you can see it. Yeah, when you have to look at the camera.
Ooh, dang, that was
So
cool.
you can see what you're recording. You have to go slower. You're too fast. You can't see anything. Yeah, record slower so they can see. Feeding the angelfish.
Yep. These are the angelfish.
Yeah, when you record, you have to look in the camera.
Come on, fish. Look at the camera. Those are the other angelfish. So, much today. But I think those are bubbles, I think. Yeah, those are bubbles.
Yeah, those are bubbles.
And some of them are no. Oh, come in, Mom. Bye, guys. The chicken is ready. I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna play it with my friend. So I'm gonna put it on right now, but it's super hot. So a line, and a line, a line, and oh my god. Let me see. Oh my god. First one's in.
So what are you doing?
Put it on the chicken.
Garnish it?
Yeah.
Make it look good?
But I am very good at cooking in class. Making plans. Now, I got put. What about it?
It's so good. It's super good. I finished my whole plate like 20 portions. Yeah.
They're good. Video, make sure you subscribe and watch all of it.
Hit that like button.